Struggling to put food on the table in Arizona? This video will break down how to apply for food stamps, also known as SNAP benefits, and get the help you need. First, let's see if you're eligible in Arizona. Eligibility depends on your household size, income, and certain expenses generally. Your gross monthly income must be at or below 130% of the federal poverty level. For example, a single-person household often has an income limit around $1,600 a month. But this changes. Check the Arizona Department of Economic Security website Julia'sTutorials for the most up-to-date figures and specific details about deductions that can lower your countable income. They have all of the details regarding income limits based on the size of your household. Ready to apply? The easiest way is online through the Health Arizona Plus portal. This website allows you to apply for benefits, check your case status, and upload documents. You can find the link in the description box below. Before you start, gather your documents. You'll need proof of identity, such as a driver's license, social security cards for all household members, proof of income like pay stubs or employer statements, and proof of residency, like a lease or utility bill. Also, bring statements of your expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and child care. During the application process, be prepared to answer questions about your household composition, income, resources, and expenses. Be honest and thorough. Double-check your answers before submitting. After submitting, you may be contacted for an interview. This is usually done over the phone. Be sure to answer promptly and have your documents readily available. If approved, you'll receive an electronic benefits transfer or EBT card, which works like a debit card to purchase eligible food items at most grocery stores and farmers markets. Need help? Contact your local day office. Their website, again, that's Julia'sTutorials.gov, lists locations and contact information. You can also find community organizations that offer application assistance. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you're struggling. Applying for food stamps can provide vital support during difficult times. You've got this. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful resources.